welcome back. I hope everyone is having a great day. I am so excited, as you can see from the description below. Today we are going to be unboxing our April 2019 Allure Beauty Box. I love the subscription, and I had like a love-hate relationship in the beginning, but these last few months, Allure has been killing it. Amazing. If you did... Can't talk. If you do not know, Allure is a $15 a month beauty subscription, and you generally receive like 5 to 7 items. Sometimes there are full-size products in here. One month we got an amazing bag. Y'all, I'm talking Sunday Riley, full size. If you got the box, you know what I'm talking about. If you didn't, it was amazing. You definitely need to consider this. I will obviously show you what is in here. And like I said, I'll put a link down below if you would like to sign up. Like I said, it is a $15 a month beauty subscription, but let's get in here. I've heard this box is amazing this month, so I'm dying to see. Let's get it open and see. Don't forget, we do have an active giveaway. Our 2,000 subscriber giveaway is going on, so if you have not already, please do enter. I will put a link down below for that as well. All right, so you open it, and it's very pretty pink. It says hashtag Allure Beauty Box, and there is always like a little pamphlet in here with a gorgeous lady on the front that will tell us about the products. So we will get into this in a second. I do want to say, for those of you that do not know and are not familiar with Allure, they did just in January change. It used to come in a red box. Now it comes in this white box, and then all of the items inside are in a different little plastic bag. We've gotten a red bag, a black bag, a white bag, and now a clear bag. So let's see what this says. Oh, sorry. I'm all over the place today. May theme beauty innovations, 7 game changers. You're going to want to see this. We're giving you an exclusive sneak peek at all of our favorite brands coming up in the May Allure Beauty Box lineup. Scratch off to reveal. So we'll do that at the end. But yay. All right, so then again, yes, this is going to tell us about all of our products. So this is what it looks like. I can already see some brands and stuff that I know I'm going to enjoy. And I actually have not really used any of these bags, but I think that I actually will be using these in Charleston, because this is something good to throw like in a bag if you're going to the pool, to the beach. These could come in handy for stuff like that. So, you know, if something's gonna get wet, you can put it in here. But I am going to grab the first thing that catches my attention, and that is this product from Briogeo. And it is the Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Protection and Heat Protectant Cream right here. I love products from Briogeo. I have fallen in love with this brand from different products I've received either in BoxyCharm or other boxes. I just love this. All of their products smell amazing, so I am super excited to have this guy. Now let's find what they say in here about it. You will get hit with this Heat Protectant Cream's pretty floral fragrance right out of the tube, and the scent lingers for hours after you've blow dried. But that's not the only reason you'll love this light cream. After towel drying, run a dime size amount through your damp hair, blow dry, and you're left with a silky, frizz-free blowout that lasts until you're ready to wash again. And the full size is $24. So let's see if it has a safety seal. It does. So I'm not going to open it just yet because I know that I'm actually still using the Briogeo Rosario Milk leave-in spray. So I don't want to open this until I'm ready to use it, but I know I'm going to love it. So yay! All right, and then what do we have here? This is from Vita Liberata Advanced Organics. Organic tan infused cloth for face and body. Up to 10 days from one application. So that is this right here. And these are Okay, so these are like self-tanning cloths. And this person is saying a little about me. I self-tan once every 2 weeks, and my boyfriend can always tell when the smell, the look, the residue, and he never fails to call me out. Except for when I tried the new Vita Liberata tanning cloths. He had no idea. I was skeptical at first. I'd never used a self-tanner in cloth form, but the pocket-sized rayon squares are infused with self-tanner that's actually mess-free. Two were enough to easily cover my entire body. 4 hours later, I had a very natural looking and smelling glow. So these are 2 self-tanning towels, and they sell for $25 for an 8-pack or $39 for a pack of 16. So I'm probably going to stick this into a giveaway or something, because I'll be honest, I am so like white and fair skinned. I don't tan, I red. So I know that I won't use these. I just embrace my pale redness. So I'll stick these to the side for a giveaway. So hopefully one of you will really enjoy these. I think the concept is amazing. And if it really does work, then that's fantastic. One thing I do know, I have heard people say, when you do use self-tanner, you want to put something like gloves or something on your hands, because otherwise it can leave your hands kind of mucky. So just throwing that out there. All right, so the next product I'm pulling out, and I am so excited for this. This will be my very first ever owning. Yeah, whatever. This is an Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick. So awesome. And this is a $20 value right here, you guys. So this more than paid for the box. Anastasia Soray, the brow groomer behind Anastasia Beverly Hills, is known for curating fantastic liquid lipsticks. The formula has won not 1, not 2, but 4 Allure Best of Beauty awards, and I can attest to the fact that they are super pigmented, long-lasting, and just as important, feel comfortable on your lips all day. This is in the shade Pure Hollywood. I'm so excited because, like that said, I have heard amazing things about this formula, and I am so excited to now have this to add to my collection. And it looks like it's a very pretty pinky nude, which is perfect for spring or any time really. So let me see if I can actually even open the box, and then we will take a look at the product. Y'all, this box is giving me a fit. I had to like destroy it. Ooh, that is very pretty. The packaging is very pretty. It almost looks a little bit light, but it could be really pretty over top of something. So there is the color. So it actually isn't quite, I'm just that white, like I said. I just have such pale skin. I do actually really like that shade. I think it is very pretty. So like I said, I'm super excited to have this guy. So moving right along, we also have, this is full size as well. That's the thing, is we've been getting quite a few full-size products in our Allure Beauty Boxes lately, so that is always amazing. So I'm super excited. We have a Luxie brush. It feels very nice. This is the Luxie 231 small tapered blending brush, and this is obviously from their Rose Gold collection. I do have quite a few of these. And this is a $12 value. Obviously, small tapered blending. I'm not going to go into the full description. We all know what these do, and it feels amazing. So, yay for a Luxie brush. And then we have from Laura Geller an Incredible waterproof gel eyeliner. Oh, I was like, what is that? It's got like a rubbery grip right here, which is actually really cool. So this says, there are a few boxes that an eyeliner has to check in order to be one of my favorite, and Laura Geller's pencil liner exceeds expectation with their super pigmented, creamy formula and fine, soft points. The color can easily be smudged out or left alone for a crisp, precise line. With a sharpener conveniently slash, brilliantly built into the packaging. Why don't more pencils have this? It's great for throwing in your bag. And the colors range from soft lilac to deep black, and the waterproof formula makes good on its promise to stay put all day. This is a $22 value. It does say shades may vary. So I got Purple Rain. Now, I don't know that I will use this, but I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone. As you can see today, my eye look is a little bit more like, hey. So I am going to swatch this because I am going to keep this and see if I want to play with purple eyeliner. So again, this is the packaging right here. So, and it looks like it is a deeper purple maybe. Y'all, that is gorgeous. And it has the slightest bit of shimmer. But that is a very, very pretty shade. I actually really like that. A lot. So, yay for something new, something exciting. That is kind of the point of subscription boxes, is to step outside of our comfort zone. So that's definitely going to make me do it. And then our final product, super excited for this guy. And yes, super, super excited. This is a Natasha Denona Mono eyeshadow. So it is an eyeshadow single from Natasha Denona. I have heard absolutely amazing things about her formula. I've never tried one, so I actually I don't typically keep eyeshadows like this, but I'm going to keep this one if it's a shade I like, because I really want to try this formula. So, and this is, I'm assuming for this one single, because I do know that her palettes are extremely expensive, $27. So, I'm no stranger to Natasha Denona. The makeup artist's shadows are out of this world good. I love that I can put on one in the morning and by the end of night it's still perfect. Even dusted on dry, these shadows are vibrant. If you really want to turn heads though, spritz your brush with setting spray after you dip in the shadow, then apply. And this does have various shades, so I got 24K Bronzage, which sounds like it will be a color I will really love, but let's take a look. So this is outside of the box, and this actually has some weight to it for a single shadow. Yes! Oh my gosh, y'all. That is so beautiful. And that feels so amazing. That is like a baby, like 2, maybe 3 swirls, little swatch. That feels so buttery. Oh my gosh. And that is just beautiful. Yes, ma'am. I love this. Awesome. So that was our Allure Beauty Box for April 2019. We got a full-size Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lip, which has dried down amazing and does not go anywhere. We got the Laura Geller gel eye pencil, which holds true to the smudge proof. Well, it gave a... Oh, no, that's just me putting some eyeshadow, so it did not smudge. The Natasha Denona eyeshadow single, the Briogeo Farewell Frizz leave-in cream, the Luxie brush, the tan towel. This box was amazing. Allure has been killing it. I am super happy. Let me know down below what you guys thought. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed. If you have not already, do hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys at the next one. Have a great day.